Good evening, guys. I'm going to make a video presentation about weight and volume calculation. So please bear with me, guys, as I go through to this topic. Okay, so let's start. So here we have weight and volume calculation. Take note of the standard conversion, guys. So 1 cubic meter equals to 35.317 cubic feet. So we'll just concentrate on this one and take note of this conversion. So again, I read 1 cubic meter is equals to 35.317 cubic feet. Okay? And this is now number one example. The cubic capacity of the cargo hold is 5,000 cubic meters. Okay? And the storage factor of the cargo is 50 cubic feet per long ton. Okay, so how much weight in long tons can be loaded in the hold? So he is asking the weight in long tons can be loaded in the hold. And this is the answer or the calculation. So the hold capacity in cubic feet is 5,000 cubic meters. So the problem is asking what will be the hold capacity in cubic feet. So here the hold capacity that we have is 5,000 cubic meters. So we have to convert this one to cubic feet. So to convert it to cubic feet, so 5,000 we multiply it with 35.17 because 1 cubic meter is equals to 35.317 cubic feet. So if you have 5,000 cubic meters, so you have to multiply it with 35.317 cubic feet to get the cubic feet. So the answer would be 176,585. So check, guys. That will be 5,000 times 35.317, which is this one in cubic meters, and this will be in cubic feet. So 1 cubic meter equals to 35.317. So which means you multiply 5,000 by 35.317 is 176,587. Okay, so again, guys, I will multiply it again. So 5,000, you multiply it with times this conversion of 35 cubic feet, 35.317 cubic feet. The answer would be 176,585. So 176,585, that will be 176,585 cubic feet. Okay, so we have to convert this in long tons. Okay, from this we have to use the storage factor. Okay, so weight, what will be his weight in long tons? So from 176,585 cubic feet, what will be his weight in long tons? Because you have to convert this to long tons. So the whole capacity in cubic feet is over storage factor in cubic feet. So the whole capacity in cubic feet is 176,585, which is this one, over the storage factor. What is the storage factor is 50 cubic feet per long ton. So 176,585 over 50 cubic feet per long ton, that will be 3531.7 long tons. So we'll check, guys. So once, okay. So we have 178.85 cubic meters. So we'll convert that to, this will be, let's say 50. Okay, the storage factor. So equals the hold capacity in cubic feet is 176.585. You divide it by the storage factor of 50 cubic feet per long ton, and the answer would be the answer would be 3531.7. 3531.7. Here you have 3531.7 in long tons. Okay, so from cubic feet, what will be his weight in long tons? And the answer is be 3531.7 long tons. Okay, then we have another solution here. Or direct method, weight in long tons. So what the solution is, what will be his weight in long tons? So the other solution is hold capacity cubic meters, which is the hold capacity in cubic meters is 5,000 times your conversion, because 1 cubic meter is 35.317 cubic feet. So the whole capacity of cubic meters, you multiply it by 3.5317 cubic feet over the storage factor of in cubic feet. So that will be 5,000 cubic meters, which is this one. Multiply the conversion of, so that will get conversion of, for 1 cubic meter is 35.317 cubic feet over the storage factor of 50 cubic feet per long ton. Okay, so you take out cubic feet, and what remains will be long tons. So 5,000 times 3.317 over 50. Okay, so let's check, guys. 35317. Okay, we go. Yeah. We have here, say 5,000. We have 5,000. 5,000 multiply it by the conversion is a multiply by conversion of 35317, 35.317, that will be over the storage factor of 50 cubic feet per long ton. Okay, and the answer would be, multiply this to 5,000, was 5,000, multiply it by 35, well, let's say, put it this way, 35.317 over, close this one, divided by 50. Okay? And that will be 3531.7. Okay? That will be 3531.7 long tons. Okay? So there are two ways of how to get the weight in long tons. Okay? And let's say the other example here. Convert. This is the same problem, guys. 1 cubic meter is equals to 35.317 cubic feet. So the weight of cargo is 35317 long tons. The storage factor is 50 cubic feet per long ton. How much will be in cubic meters? Okay? So let's say, guys, let's go back. Cubic meters. Okay? Okay. Let me check again, guys. How much will be in cubic touch factor? The question is, how much will be in cubic meters? Okay. Okay. Let's skip this one, guys. Let's go to sample number 2. Now, in sample number 2, your cargo to load is 3531.7 long tons, which is this one, guys. We have already computed this one. And the storage factor is the same, 50 cubic feet per long ton. Now, the question is, how much volume in cubic meters will be the cargo occupy when stored in the hold? So, he's now asking for the weight of the cargo in cubic meters, while in the question number 1, we are asking for weight in long tons. Okay? So, this will be the weight in long tons is 3531.7 long tons, and the other solution is the same answer of 3531.7 long tons. Now, the question number 2 is how much volume in cubic meters will be the cargo to occupy when the same storage when stored in the cargo hold. So he's asking now for how much would be in the cubic meters. Okay? Now, the solution is the volume in cubic feet. The weight of the cargo is in long tons. The volume in cubic feet is weight of cargo in long tons times storage factor. Okay? Weight of the cargo in long tons is 3531.7, which is this one, guys, or this one, times your storage factor. Your storage factor is 50 cubic feet per long ton. Okay? So, you multiply this one, long tons, 3571.7 long tons times your 50 cubic feet per long ton, and the answer would that be 176,585, which is this one, guys. If you remember, which is this one. Sorry. Which is this one, okay? 176,585. this 5,000 cubic meters times the conversion of 335.37 cubic feet. You multiply this one, then the answer would be 176,585 cubic feet. Okay, that will be the cubic feet. Okay, which is this one, cubic feet. And once you already gotten this cubic feet or volume in cubic feet, then you convert that to volume in meters, and the formula would be volume in cubic feet, which is this one, 76585, over the conversion of this one. Convert 1 cubic meter is 35.317, which is this one. So 1 cubic meter is equivalent to 35.317 cubic feet. So if you have 176,585 cubic feet, you divide it by 35.317 to get these cubic meters, okay, which you are looking for. So 176,585 over the conversion of 35.315 cubic feet, and you will get cubic meters. So we try to solve this one, guys. Let me see. We get here, say, copy, here, paste, then you put here, copy, then you put paste. Here, put it this way. Okay, so this one, you equals, put equals, click this 176,585 cubic feet, divide by how much was that? Divide by this conversion of 35.317, and the answer would be 5,000. Okay, 5,000. That will be this one. Okay, so 176,585 cubic feet, you divide it with a conversion of 35.315, which is this one. So you will get cubic meters. So the answer to that will be 5,000 cubic meters. And another solution is direct method. Volume in cubic meters equals to weight of cargo in long tons times the switch factor in cubic feet over the conversion of 35.317. So meaning long tons now, 35.317, which is this one, 35.31.7 long tons times your switch factor of 50 cubic feet per long ton over the conversion of 35.317 cubic feet. So you take out the long tons, and you will have cubic feet. Divide it with the conversion of 35.317, that will be 50 cubic meters, or 5,000 cubic meters. So we try to solve this one. So we have long tons of 35317, which is T1, okay, and multiply it by 50 over 35317. So we try to check this one, guys, and here we are. So let me check again, guys. I might be wrong. So long tons, okay, 35317, okay. This is in long tons. So put here. This is long tons. Let's say multiply this one. Multiply this one by what in the middle? Multiply your storage factor of 50 over, let's say, over this one, 35.317, okay. That is the conversion. Oh, I'm sorry. 317. That will be okay. So we try to multiply this one once. This is 35.731 long tons times 50. That will be 176,585 cubic feet. So that will be over once this one, the conversion of, then you will get here in cubic meters. So equals, this is the cubic feet of 176,585 over the conversion of 35.317 to get the cubic meter, and you will have an answer of 5,000. So 5,000 here. Your answer will be 5,000. Okay. Now, just review this procedure, guys, from example number 1. Then you get here the solution, and you have another solution here. And example number 2 is asking for the volume in cubic meters, and here will be your answer, and you have another solution here. But so from volume in cubic meters, the formula will be weight of cargo in long tons times your storage factor in cubic feet over your conversion of from cubic feet to cubic meters. So that will be, let's say, your weight of cargo in long tons, that will be 35.31.7 long tons times your storage factor of 50 cubic feet per long ton over your conversion of 35.315 cubic feet. So the answer would that will be 5,000 cubic meters. But there's another solution, guys, by using by using this app of Quora. So you find this, you search this in your Googles, and you will get this Quora, and you type any questions here, and he will give you the answers, outright answers, and there's a assigned let's say person that will answer your questions, any kind of questions. So from here, from Googles, you type Quora, and once you're in, you type your questions here, and he will give you the answers to your questions. Okay, so again, from here, so this is the form that I asked the Quora. So I wrote this question. 1 cubic meter is 35.317 cubic feet. Weight of cargo is 35.31.7 long tons. Storage factor is 50 cubic feet long ton. How would it be? What would it be the weight of cargo in cubic meters? How would it be the weight of cargo in cubic meters? So this is the question I asked, and this is the answer of Quora. So let's start with this one, guys. To find the weight of cargo in cubic meters based on the provided information, follow the steps. Meaning, follow provided information, this one, guys, that I have given to Quora. So let's proceed. Convert the storage factor from cubic feet to cubic meters. So from cubic feet, we're searching for cubic meters. Okay, so the formula is storage factor cubic meter per long ton equals 50. This is the storage factor, cubic feet per long ton, which is the storage factor, over the conversion of 35.315. So you divide this 50 by 3.315, you will have answer of 1.418 cubic meter per long ton. That will be your storage factor. Okay, so you divide this one, and this will be your answer. You take out the cubic feet, what's left will be cubic meters per long ton. Okay, so we go to number 2. Calculate total volume occupied by the cargo in cubic meters. Occupied by the cargo. So total volume is in cubic meters. To find the cubic meters is weight of cargo in long tons times the storage factor in cubic meter. So total, this is now the what's the term for this one? So this is now the how it looks, guys. Total volume in cubic meters is this 3531.7 long tons, which are long tons, times your storage factor, which is this one, 1.418 cubic meter per long tons, is your 5,000. I'm sorry, that will be sorry, I have to take it back. Open with. Okay. So again, so the weight of cargo in long tons, that will be 3531.7, which is this one, guys. That will 3531.7 long tons. That will be in long tons, okay? So in long tons, that should be 3531.7 long tons times your storage factor, this one, of 1.418 1.418 cubic meters per long tons, the answer would be 5,000 cubic meters. So let's try to compute this one, guys. Okay. Okay. So what will be? Shall we go to go to Excel? Excel dito. Okay, we don't have Excel. We put here Excel. New. Okay. So that will be, what will be? Okay, let's push this down, guys. And let's put this to 20. Okay. And that will be the long dance is 35, 31, 35, 31, 7, 30, 35, 31, 7, 35, 31, 7, what is, okay, 35, 31.7, okay, so put this here, is that correct? Then we have 1.418, 1.418, 1.418, 1.418. Okay, so put this one. Okay, so okay, 1.418, 1.418. Then we multiply this one, guys. Once, click this one, multiply, times, that will be times, and the noise factor in cubic meters, that will be 5,000 or 57. Please check, guys. Three, 418. Therefore, the coincidence for approximately 5,000. That will be 35317. 35317. 35317. 418. Is it 418? 1.418. Okay. 418. Good. Multiply once. Multiply this one. So, and the answer. So he round it up with 5,000. That will be the correct answer. 5,000. He's more of 7.9. But this is the correct answer according to our problem. Okay. The answer should be 5,000. Okay. But anyway, so just bear with this, guys. But according to his answer is 5,000 cubic meters. So that's it, guys. If you have any problem, just review this problem, guys, from example number 1 to example number 2. Okay, and the option, you had an option to use this Quora. So whatever action questions you have, just type it here and the Quora will answer your questions. Okay, so that's it, guys. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click the like button, share, and subscribe. And please don't forget to click the notification bell. Thank you very much and have a good day.